Did you know many people are having trouble with adjusting image print sizes on their printers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Driver Setup. Launch the Printer Driver Setup window on your computer for configuration. Step 2. Select Scaled Layout. Navigate to the Page Setup tab and choose Scaled from the page layout options. Step 3. Match page size. Make sure to set the document's paper size and page size to match your application. Step 4. Set scaling rate. Set your desired scaling rate by selecting a printer paper size or inputting a specific scaling factor. Step 5. Print with settings. Confirm all your settings and proceed to print your image with the adjusted size. By following these steps, you should easily manage printing images at your desired size on your Canon printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.